Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see the elevation on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, to see the elevation, you have to go to the Layers menu and then select the Terrain layer. This is available either in the bottom left on the PC version, which I will be displaying here, or on the mobile version, it's right down below to the right of the search bar. Now, to enable the terrain layer, you just need to go into layers and just simply click terrain. At the bottom, you'll see this view topography and elevation marker. Just click on that, make sure that is on, and then zoom in to where you want to see. As you can see, where there are more mountainous regions and where the elevation is higher, you'll see more gradients and sort of well, contours of the earth, whereas where it's a bit more flat, you'll see fewer of them. They'll be much smaller, as you can see here, for example, for Sprain Ridge Park. Now, if I go over into the mountains, for these lower sections, you won't see any numbers. However, if you go over where there is significant mountainous terrain, the more you zoom in on PC, or on mobile too for that matter, you'll see these elevation lines, which are very faintly seen, but they are drawn around the contours of the earth, and you will see the numbers right next to them. As you can see here, this clearly denotes, I'm pretty sure this is 2200 kilometers, this is 2400, etc., etc., until you get to the top. This thing over here is 3000 kilometers, or 3000 meters, or 3 kilometers. This is 2.4, 2.2 kilometers, however, 3000 meters, and etc., etc. And essentially that is pretty much it. You can turn it on. However, on the satellite mode, if I go over into that, that is not available. However, you will still see the contours of the earth, because it is what it looks like from the satellite's point of view. But if you want accurate measurements, which you can see them faintly. On mobile it is much harder, but on the PC you will see these lines along the contours of the mountains and everything, and on the contours of the terrain, and that is pretty much exactly how you can view it and see the terrain. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.